Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 13, topic Beverage Technology. It consists of 30 MCQs, so without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Stimulating effect of coffee is due to dash. Options A. Caffeine, B. Caffeine, C. Caffeine, D. Tannin. Correct answer C. Caffeine. Question number 2. Caffeine in coffee is present in the range of dash. Options A. 5 to 6%, B. 1 to 1.8%, C. 10 to 12%, D. 12 to 15%. Correct answer B. 1 to 1.8%. Question number 3. Proper flavor and aroma of coffee is associated with dash. Options A. Drying coffee beans, B. Curing coffee beans, C. Roasting, D. All of above. Correct answer C. Roasting. Question number 4. The word tea is of dash. Options A. Greek origin, B. Egypt origin, C. Chinese origin, D. Sri Lankan origin. Correct answer C. Chinese origin. Question number 5. Chocolate liquor is a dash. Options A. Beverage, B. Semi-plastic food, C. Plant extract, D. None of above. Correct answer B. Semi-plastic food. Question number 6. Most suitable method of fruit juice concentration. Options A. Freeze concentration, B. Low temperature vacuum evaporation, C. High speed high evaporation, D. Reverse osmosis. Correct answer A. Freeze concentration. Question number 7. For black tea processing, fermentation of rolled leaves is done for dash hours. Options A. 0.5 to 1 hour, B. 2 to 5 hours, C. 8 to 10 hours, D. 12 to 15 hours. Correct answer B. 2 to 5 hours. Question number 8. Recommended bricks for squash preparation is dash. Options A. 60 to 70, B. 45 to 50, C. 20 to 30, D. 30 to 40. Correct answer B. 45 to 50. Question number 9. Dash enzyme is present in malted beverages. Options A. Lipase, B. Protease, C. Amylase, D. Phenolase. Correct answer C. Amylase. Question number 10. Most common ingredient for beer is dash. Options A. Barley, B. Rice, C. Sorghum, D. Oat. Correct answer A. Barley. Question number 11. Most common germicidal for water treatment is dash. Options A. Nitrogen, B. Chlorine, C. Benzene, D. Nitrous oxide. Correct answer B. Chlorine. Question number 12. Advantages of carbonation are options A. Pungent taste, B. Anaerobic condition, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 13. The concentration of carbon dioxide in carbonated beverages varies from options A. 1 to 8 gram per liter, B. 8 to 16 gram per liter, C. 16 to 32 gram per liter, D. 32 to 40 grams per liter. Correct answer A. 1 to 8 grams per liter. Question number 14. In soft drinks, flavors are stable to which temperature? Options A. 20 degrees Celsius, B. 38 degrees Celsius, C. 45 degrees Celsius, D. 54 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B. 38 degrees Celsius. Question number 15. In most fruit juices, the major portion of total soluble solids is consists of dash. Options A. Salt, B. Sugar, C. Vitamin, D. Mineral. Correct answer B. Sugar. Question number 16. The alkalinity of water that used for beverage must be low. Options: A. For neutralization of acid. B. For prevention of neutralization of acid. C. To prevent corrosion. D. None of above. Correct answer B. For prevention of neutralization of acid. Question number 17. Total solids for water to be used in preparing fruit juice beverage should not exceed dash. Options: A. 500 ppm. B. 400 ppm. C. 300 ppm. D. 200 ppm. Correct answer A. 500 ppm. Question number 18. Beverages are consumed for. Options: A. Food value. B. Thirst quenching. C. Stimulating effect. D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 19. Beverages are classified as. Options: A. Carbonated. B. Non-carbonated mildly alcohol. C. Non-carbonated stimulating beverages. D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 20. Which of the following is stimulating beverage? Options: A. Coffee. B. Soft drink. C. Pure juice. D. Milk. Correct answer A. Coffee. Question number 21. The most common sugar used in soft drink. Options: A. High fructose corn syrup. B. Sucrose. C. Maltose. D. Lactose. Correct answer A. High fructose corn syrup. Question number 22. The sugar contributes dash to beverages. Options: A. Sweetness. B. Calories. C. Body and mouthfeel. D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 23. No calories soft drinks are sweetened with non-nutritive sweeteners such as. Options: A. Saccharin. B. Cyclamate. C. Both A and B. D. None of above. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 24. The percentage of water in carbonated soft drink is dash. Options: A. 92%. B. 60%. C. 70%. D. 50%. Correct answer A. 92%. Question number 25. For preparing a fruit juice beverage, the maximum alkalinity level for water is dash. Options: A. 50 ppm. B. 60 ppm. C. 40 ppm. D. 30 ppm. Correct answer A. 50 ppm. Question number 26. The maximum concentration of alcohol in beer is dash. Options: A. 3 to 6%. B. 8 to 7%. C. 10 to 15%. D. 15 to 12%. Correct answer A. 3 to 6%. Question number 27. Which of the following include in fermented beverage? Options: A. Squash. B. Lassi. C. Syrup. D. Milk. Correct answer B. Lassi. Question number 28. Anti-nutritional factor in tea is dash. Options: A. Caffeine. B. Tannin. C. Phytates. D. Oxalates. Correct answer B. Tannin. Question number 29. Recommended Brix for syrup preparation is dash. Options: A. 65 to 70. B. 70 to 80. C. 50 to 55. D. 40 to 50. Correct answer A. 65 to 70. Question number 30. Principal method to dehydrate coffee beans extract. Options: A. Tunnel drying. B. Drum drying. C. Spray drying. D. None of above. Correct answer C. Spray drying. How many answers you made it right? What's your score out of 30? Let us know in the comment section. If you have missed out our previous few tech quizzes, we have linked them down in the description. For daily quizzes and MCQs, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.